Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming biggest Samsung smartphone which is launched on 2021, the Galaxy S21 series. The Galaxy S21 plus 5G appears in a hands-on video. As you can see, this is the hands-on video. Leaked render and official video of the upcoming Galaxy S21 series smartphone have already revealed their design, and now we are looking at a working Samsung Galaxy S21 plus 5G that has appeared in a hands-on video posted by a YouTuber Random Stuff 2. So this is the live hands-on video. The video show off the smartphone, a slim bezel, and the YouTuber says that the S21 plus 5G is a really good and it's impressive. But the camera capture picture with the saturated color, that's hardly a surprise since the phone appear to be a pre-production unit and it's likely not running the final firmware. The YouTuber further says that the battery on the Galaxy S21 plus 5G is really good and can easily hold for a whole day. He also ran Geekbench 5 on the phone, seemingly having a Snapdragon 888 SoC at the Helium, and it scored 1115 and 3326 points in the single and multi-core test respectively. You can expect improved performance in the final unit. In a separate video, a YouTuber show off the S21 plus 5G with the iPhone 12 Pro and compares their camera sample. You can check it out the video, but the video has been removed now, which I make this video about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 plus 5G. So this is the latest news about the upcoming latest smartphone from Samsung. This smartphone will launch in a January, the leaker and rumor says. Let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more amazing tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out and bye.